Welcome back to my channel, guys. And on today's video, I have this beautiful, cool blue toned look. I really like the way it came out. I was really scared that the blue was not gonna pop like I wanted it to, but I made it happen. I made it work, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. It was very simple, very easy to create. So if you guys want details on how I got this look, please continue watching this video. Okay, so to start, I'm going to take this Morphe palette that I have. It's a 35C, and I'm gonna take this white color and place it on the crease, and then we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush like this. This is a Morphe M433, and I'm going to take that on the crease. And I'm going to take it all the way up to the brow bone. And this is also going to be my transition shade between the blue. So I'm going to take a packing brush, and a packing brush is something like this. So see, it's pretty thin, but then it's flat and it's stiff. It's a little bit more dense, more stiff compared to something like, it's more stiff than this. You see how this is more flexible and this one's more stiff. It hardly bends. So that's gonna help you pack on the eyeshadow. So then I'm gonna take this blue right here on the same Morphe C35 or 35C palette, and I'm going to pack that on the lid. So I'm gonna take the packing brush and I'm gonna pack that blue color on there. And then I'm going to pack that blue on my lid in patting motions. And it's okay if it's not perfect, like perfectly round, because we're gonna blend those edges out. So it's okay. Just make sure the color is as deep as you want it to be. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of that blue just on the tip of the brush, and I'm going to blend out the outer part of that blue. have something smoked out like that, blend it out. Okay, and then if you feel like it lost a little bit of its intensity on the lid, you could just go back and pat on some more. I'm gonna take a little detail brush like that. It's very tiny. This is a JH42 brush, and I'm going to take one of, you could take any like silver, any gold, that's not gold. You could take any silver or white, like shimmery white that you may have in any of your palettes. Anything that has like a shimmer to it. So I'm gonna take from the Jaclyn Hill, the first palette, I'm gonna take that second color on there, and with the detail brush, I'm just going to apply that to the brow bone, just to give a little bit of highlight, ever so lightly, because I don't want it to blend in with the blue. Okay, and same thing. And then I'm gonna take the same color and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of the eye. Like so. Okay. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys the difference between lashes and no lashes. Yeah, huge difference, right? But I also got a little happy when I was doing my makeup off of camera, and I just went ahead and added the under eye shadow. I just used the same brush that I used to pack on the eyeshadow on top on the lid. I just used that to also rub it underneath my eye and apply the same color, the blue eyeshadow color. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this lash on camera so you guys can see. Alright, and that's it for the eye look, guys. It is a very simple eye look. I just used 3 eyeshadows for the complete look, and this is what the eye makeup looks like. Very pretty blue. So I'll show you what the end look, face complete looks like. Alright, so this is the final look of the makeup look that I did today, and as you can see, it is very simple. I just used, like I said, 3 different eyeshadow colors for the eye, and just to finish off the look, I added a little bit of blush. I am using the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush palette, and so far the colors that I have tried are very good. I do plan on maybe doing a small review on another video, but I do have this on one of the colors on today. And also for eyelashes, I chose to go with Batty B, of course, my go-to favorites, and the ones I am using are in Sugar Baby. Those are my favorite. Some of you guys already know. And on my lip, I do have Grim by Anastasia. It is a very dark plum color. It does look a little bit more purple in person. It's like a purple gray toned color. I like it, and I kind of like the cool of the eye with the cool of the lip. I like it. And yeah, and as far as my highlight goes, I am using Whisper of Guilt by MAC. And I really like how this look came out, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos with your loved ones. I hope you guys are staying safe and blessed. See you in the next video.